In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate local weather updates into your Google Calendar using weather icons. This is a great way to stay informed about the daily weather while keeping everything organized within your schedule. Let's jump in. To start, we need to pick a reliable source for weather information. For this example, we'll use a website called Weather and Calendar. This site is well regarded and offers an easy-to-use interface, making it a popular choice for adding weather updates to your calendar. Begin by visiting the Weather and Calendar website. Once you're on the site, you'll be prompted to enter your city. This step is crucial as it allows the tool to provide accurate weather forecasts tailored specifically to your location. As you enter your city, take a moment to ensure it's correctly spelled, which will save you time and ensure accurate updates. Next, you'll have the option to adjust some settings to fit your preferences better. You can choose whether temperatures display in Celsius or Fahrenheit, depending on what you're most comfortable with. These options ensure that the weather updates are not only timely, but also presented in a way that makes sense to you. After you've selected your city and adjusted your settings, the site will generate a calendar link for you. Usually, this link will be automatically copied to your clipboard. If it doesn't copy automatically, simply highlight the link and copy it manually. Hold on to this URL. It's a critical component for the next steps in the process. Now it's time to integrate those updates into your Google Calendar. Go ahead and open Google Calendar in your browser. Look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to access settings. From the options that appear, you'll want to choose Add Calendar. Next, select from URL. You'll be presented with a field labeled URL of Calendar. This is where you'll paste the link you copied earlier from the Weather and Calendar site. Make sure the URL is entered correctly to avoid any issues with syncing. After pasting the URL, click Add Calendar to finalize the integration. You should now see the weather calendar appear in your list, right alongside your regular events and appointments. Each day will display weather icons, giving you a visual cue of the conditions to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully added live weather updates to your Google Calendar. This integration is not only visually helpful, but it also proves super convenient for planning your week, dressing appropriately for the day, or preparing for upcoming trips. Whether you're heading out for a casual day or a business meeting, having this information at a glance can make all the difference in your planning. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps make your calendar even more useful.